this. He's like.
Oh, this one is making biscuits.
Push make paws like that. Yeah.
Oh yeah, they're making biscuits. Look, he's making biscuits.
He's so cute.
This one's making biscuits. He's deep under there, huh?
Oh, they're so
Oh
cute.
my goodness.
Look at him.
He's so, oh my goodness. They're so sweet. I know.
Just making biscuits. I don't think gingers are evil.
These ones don't seem to be, huh?
Yeah, especially this one too. He or she is so cute. The color's pink, so I would assume it's a girl.
Maybe.
Can I pet one of the cats when they're asleep?
Guys, this one's trying to pretend it's milking on its mommy. He's sucking on a blankie. This is mom.
Okay, let's see the cat. And they're going. I think they're getting. He's playing with my suit.
I know.
They're snuggling. He kind of looks like a bobcat. He's a short hair though. Whoa. Oh wow.
I know. These two are your favorite?
Yes.
Oh,
He's so light.
I know, compared to Navy.
Oh. Can I pick him up?
Yeah, still.
He doesn't want to sit on the. Oh,
He's so little, huh? Just a little guy. He's just a little guy. That one is just chaos.
And in walks this floof.
Oh.
they're so cute.
Oh.
I'm gonna finally go pet those black.
Yay.
Oh yeah, that's the spot.
Oh. Okay.
So cute.
Hi. What? You always thought they were evil, huh?
Yeah, look at that one.
Oh, he got us cuddling. He's just like, okay, I'm ready to cuddle and play.
The cat clawed
Hey,
into me.
baby.
The cat clawed into my knee.
Baby's head is
Stop trying to eat my pants. It's mine. It's mine.
No, no, no.
Oh, Navy's gonna be mad when he smells this kitten on you. Nice.
Look how easy they are. They're so easy to pick up.
I know.
Tabby, there's Navy over there.
Yeah.
When you pet him, he goes like this. He's like. They're so cute. I mostly just want to enjoy these two. Alright. Oh, cats are fighting. Cats are fighting? Yeah.
Oh my god, this one is Sit down, baby. You can't be walking around.
They're so cute. I keep saying sorry to this one.
That one's a little bit older, huh? Are you enjoying this?
He's so passed out. He's just like, I'm not waking up to it.
What do you think, Avery? Is this a fun activity?
Oh, I love it.
What the heck? Oh my gosh.
I want to go pet the TV cat.
Okay.
I can see his teeth in there. I say, hey, teeny cat, teeny cat. Because I'm trying to get his attention so he doesn't scratch me or something.
Oh, so he doesn't get scared. Be careful, Avery. His little mouth is open.
Teeny cat is so cute.
That one's a little feisty, baby. Be careful.
Okay.
She's the one that's a little bit.
Playful. She won't attack or anything.
No, yeah, she's just
Kitten used to be out and out.
being socialized.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh. We've been trying to contact you regarding your car's extended warranty.
He's nursing on his ear.
Look,
Huh?
look. I pet him and then he looked like he was gonna bite me or something.
Oh. What?
These cats are really cute.
Oh, I'm recording this so I can show Navy.
Not impressed.
What? Oh, he's cleaning him. Best friends. So Avery, what do you think? Have you changed your mind about orange cats? Are gingers evil, or are they actually really nice?
They're so
Oh. That cute little black cat. Oh my goodness.
They're so cute. Are we able to bring our drinks with us?
Yeah. Oh my
It's so hard to say goodbye.
I'm gonna miss you the most. Oh, you're my favorite. You're my favorite.
Should we adopt one?